Hi, this is Litre Plus Plus. Today we have a 2012 Volkswagen Polo, stock number 6313. This ran from the 5th 2010 to the 5th 2014. It has a CBZB 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the CBZB 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door 1 small dent in the corner, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,